my experience here, the Encompass training class has been really positive. Mr. Richard back there is very knowledgeable about what he's teaching. And we're going really in depth on a lot of the applied science of these sealed systems and the temperature exchange, things that are commonly missed, and not just the overall idea on the whole, but very specific ways on how to do the job and what to pay attention to.
My experience here has been pretty good, learning a lot of skills that we didn't know previously before entering. It's doing a great job teaching us as far as seal system work.
We got this around on the inside. What's that do? Other 19 years.
My experience has been great. So far, lots of information to take in, but he simplified it in a way that's easy to understand. I love all the hands-on. That really helps bring it together. Besides that, it's been a really good experience. A lot of information to take in, but
my superheat is back I don't care if he's at 1,000 microns in the single digits. But when the jump not down below 1,000, the manufacturer says I got to be down below 1,000. I'm going above 1,000. Said somebody left this exposed. He popped up real high.
The reason I came to this pick up, I've been doing refrigeration for a while. I just wanted to make sure that I'm up to date on all the new standards. He's giving me all that.
So I've got you have access to. 40 grams, use liquid. If it's under 40 grams, just hook it up. Alright. It's none system. The system is ready to start. And for future information.
Class is going great. We've got some good students. They all have a medium background as far as appliance repair. They know their electronic side. We're doing a sealed system, and they are paying a lot of good attention. They're giving me good questions and good feedback. I love it when students give me lots of questions. It makes me think and carry through. So we're having a good feedback back and forth, and we're all getting. I've learned stuff from them, and they're learning from me. So it's going to be a good class.
So let's measuring. I'm right up there on it, and I don't have to.
So you can do it.
Oh, it's a whole lot better in torches.
Yeah, it is.